you'll learn how to insert headers and footers into your slides and handouts. Click Insert, Header and Footer. Here you have two tabs. You have Slide and then you have Notes and Handouts. So everything that you will change on the slide will go to the slide, and then when you do anything while in Notes and Handouts mode, will go to the Notes and Handouts. So let's begin with the slide. When you click on Slide, you have three sections: date and time, slide number, and then footer. So you can insert a date and time which is updating automatically. For example, this is the one. You can change the format to whichever you want. Let me choose this one. Now, when I choose update automatically, it means the date will keep changing automatically. For example, if I open this PowerPoint tomorrow, the date will have changed to tomorrow's date. But if you choose fixed, PowerPoint will display that date when you did this presentation. For example, if I open this presentation tomorrow and I have chosen fixed date, that means it will be showing the date for yesterday. But for now, let me choose update automatically. Then you can insert a slide number. Then you can insert a slide footer. For example, let me say the slide footer is my name, Sawa. Then you can also open Notes and Handouts. On it, you also put the same updating date, change the format. The same thing applies. If it is fixed, it will not be changing. You can put the Notes and Handouts footers and headers is my header. And then I can also type footer as my name. After doing all that, I click Apply to All. Now you see here, this is the updating date and time that I inserted in the slide. This is the slide. This is the footer that I inserted in the slide. And then this is the slide number, which is slide number 3, which I have opened. When you open the slide number 2, same footer, same date, and then slide number 2. Alright, now here you cannot see the headers while in slide view. So you will only be able to see the headers when you go to Handouts view. Try to print preview. Okay, when you choose that you want handouts, that is when you can see this is the handout header, this is the handout date and time, and then this is the handout footer, and this is the page number. So that's how you can insert headers and footers into slides and handouts in PowerPoint. If you want to learn more, please follow and also comment interested. See you in the next one.